Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Venmo to Apple Pay. In short, you can't transfer directly from Venmo to Apple Pay, but here's how to do it indirectly. First, open the wallet app on your iPhone and check your Apple Cash balance. You can only add money to Apple Cash using a linked bank account or debit card, not Venmo directly. So, here are your options. Option 1, transfer money from Venmo to your bank account, then from your bank to Apple Cash. Option 2, try adding your Venmo debit card to Apple Wallet by tapping the plus icon. If the Venmo card can't be added, then bank transfer is your only route. And that's it. That's how to transfer money from Venmo to Apple Pay. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.